Hello friends, welcome to BMS Learning. In this video, I'm gonna talk about base stacking in DNA. First of all, I wanna tell you the general meaning of stacking. That is, what does it mean when few things are stacked? So, it's simply a way of arranging things. And the arrangement style is such that one thing is placed over the another. Or you can say, one item is laid on top of the other, as you can see in the diagram. Here, one plate is on top of the other, and this can be in this pattern also. Now, what this stacking has to do with the DNA? Well, it's found in DNA structure, and is very important property as it gives stability to DNA. Now let's know the stacking in DNA itself. So we have this double-stranded DNA formed of two strands running in opposite directions. We know the DNA is made up of nucleotides, and nucleotides in turn are made up of bases. These tiny lines are representing bases. To make things easier, I'm not showing the phosphate groups in this diagram. So there are a number of bases in DNA molecule. If you see clearly, you can notice one base is on top of the other. And this kind of arrangement is nothing but base stacking in DNA. That is, bases are stacked upon each other. Now the question is, how this base stacking is important? So we have two strands of DNA, and they are connected to each other with the help of these hydrogen bonds, which are joining two bases from two anti-parallel strands. This bonding is crucial for the stability of DNA. But apart from this, there are other interactions in DNA structure which are very significant for DNA stability. And those interactions are called stacking interactions. And these stacking interactions are provided by stacked bases. You can observe them here. These are the two bases stacked upon each other. The stacking is possible because of these stacking interactions made between the two bases. Let's know something more about base stacking. Base stacking is much more prevalent in double strands than in single strands. The base stacking interactions are hydrophobic and electrostatic in nature. Major stacking forces are hydrophobic interactions and vulnerable forces. In nucleic acids, these interactions can be interstrand and intrastrand in nature. That means they are present both within a single strand and between the two strands. Base stacking interactions increase with increasing salt concentration. It's because high salt concentrations mask the destabilizing charge repulsion between the two negatively charged phosphodiester backbones. This was all. Thanks for watching.